Hey everybody, welcome back to Terramata Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about begonias, in particular Pink Cane Begonia, which is known for its angel wing shaped leaves, which are often adorned with silver spots or splashes. This plant is not only prized for its beautiful foliage, but also its cascading clusters of pink flowers, which bloom continuously under the right conditions. Pink cane begonias are from a diverse family, which includes hundreds of species and hybrids. Cane begonias known for their bamboo-like stems and are native to tropical and subtropical regions, primarily in South America. The cane in their name refers to their stiff, upright, and sometimes woody stems. These begonias became popular during the 19th and 20th centuries for their ease of care and stunning foliage and bright blooms, often grown indoors or in shady garden areas. The plant typically grows between 1 to 4 feet tall, depending on the variety and conditions. Its large, glossy, dark green leaves, often shaped like angel wings, may feature silver spots or streaks, adding to their visual appeal. The flowers bloom in pendulous clusters, ranging from soft pink to vibrant hot pink, depending on the cultivar. These blooms appear almost year-round, especially in warmer, humid conditions. Pink cane begonias thrive in bright, indirect light. While they can tolerate some direct morning sunlight, too much harsh afternoon sun can scorch their leaves. They prefer well-draining soil that remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. A mix of peat, perlite, and potting soil works best. High humidity and warm temperatures ranging between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit are ideal for this plant. It is sensitive to frost, so if grown outdoors, it should be brought inside during the cooler months or protected from the cold. In terms of feeding, a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season helps maintain its blooms and vibrant foliage. Pink cane begonia pairs well with other shade-loving plants in the garden, such as ferns, hostas, and caladiums. Its upright growth habit makes it an excellent backdrop in mixed containers or beds with low-growing plants. For indoor companions, plants like African violets and peace lilies make excellent neighbors. One notable behavior of pink cane begonia is its ability to continuously produce flowers when given the right conditions, such as bright indirect light, high humidity, and consistent moisture. It can also be pruned to encourage a bushier form. Regular pinching back of stems helps to maintain a fuller shape and prevents the plant from becoming too leggy. Though primarily grown as an ornamental plant, begonias have been used in traditional medicine. Some species of begonia were used to treat skin conditions and to reduce inflammation. However, pink cane begonia is primarily appreciated for its aesthetic appeal. It adds beauty to shaded garden beds, hanging baskets, and indoor spaces, making it a versatile plant for decoration. Additionally, it's known to help purify the air too. And that wraps up today's plant species. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant profiles. Until next time, happy growing.